Okay, hello. Today we're going to make a penguin drawing that features lots of patterns. So you can see in the background here we have like these swirly patterns. There's patterns in his scarf and also in the hat. Okay, so we're going to start from the beginning, one step at a time. Okay, so the first step is we're going to start with the head. We're going to make a nice big circle. Okay, nice and big. And you can see what I'm doing, what I do when I draw. I do what's called sketching, which means I don't get the line right away. I don't get the shape I want right away. And then once I get it, then I can outline it. Outlining means go over the line again, all right? And then eventually, I can erase some of the extra pencil marks that I made that I don't want anymore. Okay, so the first step we'll make is another two more big circles in the center. This will be the eyes. Okay, make them nice and big. Again, it doesn't look exactly like mine. You could change it slightly. Okay, and then I'm going to add another two big circles here, and then I'm going to put two smaller circles there. Okay, and eventually I'm going to color them in. I'm going to add a upside down triangle, and that will be his beak. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little white area of his face. Comes to kind of a point there. Okay, he's looking good already. All right, and then the body, I'm going to add a kind of like an oval. That we don't see the top of the oval. Okay, so now he's coming along. All right, we're going to draw one wing sticking up and one wing sticking down, just because I think it looks cool that way. Okay, then watch what I'm going to do with the scarf. I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to make a pattern of stripes. Okay, I'm going to draw two. This is part of the scarf sitting down. Again, as you can see, I erase things that are in the way. And again, I'm going to add more patterns. Okay, the hat. Let's add the puffy part of the hat first. Okay, and then I'm going to add a nice little curve. And then after the curved line, I'm going to add another little puffy pom-pom at the end. And then I'm going to finish the line like that. Okay, and again, I'm going to erase the marks I don't want. And I can add some stripes. All right, he's looking good. Oh, I think he needs feet. And you can make the feet any way you want. You don't have to, again, you can make them however you want. Oh, and I forgot the most important part. His stomach has a nice little oval there. Okay, now, so right now he's kind of floating. He's not in a place. So I'm gonna take a ruler. You could use if you don't have a ruler, you could use a book, the edge of a book, or you could just not use one. And what I'm doing is I'm adding, again, my horizon line. So now I know this is the ground and that's the sky. Okay, now I'm going to take some different color markers. It doesn't matter. If you have markers, you could use crayons. I'm going to make a bunch of spiral swirls. Okay, so I'm just going to, see right now I'm just doing red. I'm just going to put a whole bunch like this. I'm not going to call the whole thing in, but just to show you how to start it. Okay, so just spread them out, spread out the different colors. Okay, and then let me grab some purple, and you can overlap them. Overlapping means they can go on top of each other. It's okay. Okay, so we're going to keep doing that. Okay, and then eventually you'll add a whole bunch more. And again, different colors. I'll use yellow, orange, red, purple. Okay, and also if you notice at the bottom here, I added just a little shadow. I put a little blue in there just to look like he's adding a little shadow. So again, you can color it however you want and enjoy.